Let's make my Marry Me lasagna, and the reason why I'm calling it that is because this dish is not only decadent, rich, and beautiful, but it's a little bit of a labor of love because we are making pesto from scratch. Now, you can bypass this step and buy store-bought, just don't tell anyone. And then I sweated off some kale and leek in a saucepan, added it to the food processor with a little bit of lemon juice and cream, and folded it through that basil pesto. Then we're gonna make a beautiful crumb top mixture. There's panko crumbs, pecorino or parmesan, fresh thyme leaves, a lemon zest. Then we're gonna get to layering. See, you're already tired watching this. So put a little bit of the pesto sauce at the base of the dish. Now I like to spray the dish first with a little bit of olive oil to prevent any sticking of the sheets to it. I'm gonna add the pesto, sheets, some more pesto, and we're gonna add slices of provolone cheese. Now trust me, this is so delicious. Add another layer of lasagna sheets. Now you don't need to parboil these because I've bought beautiful fresh lasagna sheets. We're gonna add another layer of sheets, some more pesto, and then we are gonna finally add that beautiful breadcrumb mix. Now, if you want to make this ahead of time and freeze it, I would encourage you to put a bit of baking paper and foil, pop it in the freezer and bake it at another date. Otherwise, you're going to pop it into an oven about 180 degrees, uncovered for about 15 to 20 minutes because all we're doing is really just melting the cheese and warming the sheets up. And that is it. You slice it up, you serve. You could make a beautiful, simple salad to go along with this. And I guarantee you, that person that you're making it for will love it and inhale it and sing your praises.